In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google Meet app, which is an invaluable tool for students, teachers, and professionals. Whether you're attending or conducting meetings, Google Meet offers a simple and effective platform for communication. First, let's dive right in by getting started with the Google Meet app. Begin by opening the app on your device. You should see some straightforward options right on your screen. To join a meeting that's already been set up, look for the Join a Meeting option. Once you click on that, you'll be prompted to enter the meeting code or link provided by the meeting organizer. You might be wondering where you can find this code. Typically, the organizer will send it to you via email or a messaging app. Just copy and paste that code into the app. After you've entered the code, click Join Now, and you'll be seamlessly connected to your meeting. Now, if you're planning on starting a meeting yourself, you can easily do so by clicking New Meeting. Once you've done that, the app will generate a unique meeting link for your session. Make sure to copy this link and share it with the participants you intend to include in your meeting. When you're ready to start, simply click Join Now to commence the call. Maybe you'd like to schedule a meeting for a future date. Google Meet has you covered with an integrated scheduling feature via Google Calendar, making future planning a breeze. Head over to Google Meet and click New Meeting. This time, look for the option to schedule in Google Calendar. Once you select this, you'll be taken to Google Calendar, where you can fill out all the meeting details such as the time, date, and any pertinent information attendees might need. It's essentially like sending an invitation and lets everyone know when and where you'll meet. After filling in the details, simply click Save. Your meeting is now scheduled and the invitees will receive notifications and links to join at the planned time. In summary, whether you're joining, starting, or scheduling a meeting, the Google Meet app is set up to make your experience as straightforward as possible. By keeping these simple steps in mind, you'll be able to move between entering calls, hosting sessions, and planning future meetings with ease. We hope this tutorial provides you with a clearer understanding of how to navigate Google Meet for all your virtual communication needs. This tool can help enhance your productivity and connectivity, regardless of what your specific role might be. Thanks for tuning in and happy meeting.